We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson Workforce WF7720 printer. And the problem we've been having is we've been noticing some lines and just some quality issues whenever we're making copies or scans. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to show you how to take care of that. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the top of the scanner. And you notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass underneath here. You have the large piece of glass for your flatbed scanning, and there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And what that's for is actually whenever you're using this top document feeder to make your scans or your copies, all that's being done on this small strip of glass here on the left. So depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring or those lines occurring, that's going to give you a better idea of which piece of glass you need to focus your cleaning on. If you're noticing when you're using this top document feeder, you're going to focus most of your cleaning on this little piece of glass on the left. Or if you notice it when you're using a flatbed scanner, then you're going to focus most of your cleaning on this larger piece of glass here. So once you have that kind of troubleshooted out and you figure out where you need to focus your cleaning on, you need to have a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol. Glass cleaner is definitely preferred. Other than that, the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please, always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. After that, all we have to do is just go ahead and wipe down the glass on the printer, making sure to remove all fingerprints, dust, any tape or ink buildup or whiteout buildup. All those are extremely common to find on the scanner. Make sure everything looks good, and then give it a good final inspection. Make sure you don't see anything remaining on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'd actually recommend doing a test copy or a test scan using both methods, so both the face down copy as well as using this top document feeder, making sure both pieces of glass are nice and clean, so the next time you go to make a copy or a scan, whichever way you decide to do it, the printer is going to be ready to go and ready to use. If you notice any little faint blemishes still there or faint little lines, there's probably something still on that glass that's just a little harder to see. Repeat the cleaning process and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll be glad to help you out with this. Other than that, we hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.